Hey guys, I'm blonde. Today I have my September Ipsy Bag video and I really love this bag. I created this look right here. This is a little foreshadowing, but I would say this is probably my favorite bag yet. Nothing was a super big disappointment. The theme is like a boss. If you guys want to know what I thought of each product, my first impressions on them and everything like that, and how I got this look using all the products, just keep watching. Hey guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm first going to just start with like the final step of like cleansing my face. I have washed it, but I'm trying this Neogen Dermology Real Flower Cleansing Water. This is the first product in my Ipsy bag. I'm just gonna pour some on a cotton pad, take off any excess like dirt and stuff. It's very highly fragranced, but it doesn't say that it has fragrance. It just smells like a highly fragranced perfume. So far, like it does like get out the dirt, but my skin just feels sticky now. Feels like I have to go rinse it, but I don't want to get up. I'm just gonna finish off my skincare. I went to the dermatologist not too long ago and they prescribed me a topical cream to get rid of all this acne, and I've been using it for a few days now. And I'm not sure if it's one of those like acne treatments that makes your skin get worse than better. I mean, it's not as bad as my July Ipsy bag video. We're just moisturizing. Now let's prime. I'm using first a silicone based primer, and then for the second product I have the MAC Strobe Cream in Pink Light. So I believe they have like different shades of MAC Strobe Cream, but in my Ipsy bag I got the Pink Light. Never used a MAC Strobe Cream or anything like it, or any MAC product for that. My skin is just so horrible that I don't really know how I feel about this. I don't know if I use too little or what, or if it just doesn't do anything. I can't really see like a huge difference in my skin. I'm just gonna go ahead, do my base and prime my eyes, and then we'll go on to the next product. So I have my foundation, powder, bronzer, blush, highlight, brows, and eyeshadow all on, and for that I use the Tartelette palette, and I just use the bottom row, but I do have a whole series using this palette of each row, and I feel like this is kind of similar with the one that I used for the bottom row. Now it's time to go on to the lid shade, and for that it's an Ipsy Glam product, and it's the Elizabeth Mott Pop Goes the Eyeshadow Premium Eyeshadow in Gunmetal. So this look is gonna be super deep. We did work with black eyeshadow today. I'm just gonna take some of the eyeshadow on a Ulta small eyeshadow brush. I'm going to apply that to the lid. We are very smoky today. I'm gonna now go in with the fourth Ipsy product, and it's a mascara, and it's the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara, and I have yet to try this, but I really like the wand on this, so I'm going to apply this mascara to my top and bottom lashes. Do we see this right now? The comparison from this to this. This is amazing. I was gonna apply lashes, but I don't think this look needs it because of how good this mascara is. Adding that mascara really helped this eye look become a little bit more wearable. And now for lips, I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips really fast, and I'm using my red lip liner because the last and final product is a red lipstick. So let's see how this looks. But now for the lipstick, this is the Tease Cosmetics lipstick in Romantic Red. And it says it's paraben-free, ultra moisturizing, long lasting, and revolutionary repairing damaged lips. This is the tube. This is more of a cream lipstick, like a, I guess you could say like a cream sheen, but it's very pigmented. But this is the final look that I came up using all the products in my September Ipsy bag. Little recap, the only thing that I wasn't too impressed with was this cleansing water, just because of the fragrance. I think it like cleansed my skin very well, and the MAC strobe cream. I don't know if my skin is just too bad right now for me to like actually see the full effect of it, but as of this current moment, it's not my favorite. But that's everything that I have for you guys. If you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel or give it a thumbs up, or both. If you guys have any video requests, you can leave them in the comments down below or at me on my social media, which is all under Sassy Maddie YT, same it's spelled terrible, Twitter and Instagram. Let me know what you got in your September Ipsy bag, and let me know what you thought of it as a whole and what specific products were standout or not your favorite. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.